Hello my friends and welcome to this quick guide. If you're ready to close your Just Markets trading account, I'll show you the straightforward steps to delete it securely and quickly. So before deleting, of course, you will need to log into your Just Masters personal area to withdraw all funds, as unwithdrawn balances can delay closure. Close any open positions in MetaTraders 4 or 5 to avoid complications. Check my accounts in the personal area, review Just Markets tabs at the official websites. So Just Markets does not offer a self-service deletion option, so you must email support of this service from your registered email per their privacy. So for example, if I scroll all the way down, as you can see, I have highlighted the text that they themselves write. So as you can see, if you just want to delete an account in the application, they must write a request to delete said account to support.justmarkets.com. So after submitting, expect a confirmation email within days stating your account is closed and access is revoked. Try logging in after a week. If you can't, it's deleted. And guys, that's pretty much it. If you face issues like delayed confirmation, call their support number listed on justmarkets.com. Close yours, share below, like and subscribe, and ring the bell for more trading tips. See you next time.